So it is no secret that homeowners, when they're deciding on siding, want the best value. The best value doesn't always mean the lowest price. Doesn't mean the highest price either. What it means is that they're trying to match up their budget with criteria that's important to them. So let's talk about some of those criteria that homeowners are using when they make that big decision of choosing siding for their home. People take pride in their home, specifically design, architecture, style, profiles, colors, the look that they choose to wrap their home exterior. And the exterior plays a huge role in how they feel about the look and design of their home. Durability is an easy one when it comes to siding. Homeowners invest a huge amount in the siding on their home, and we know it's not a fragile environment. Whether it's storms, hail, wind, or even a kid with a soccer ball, that siding's gotta last. The level of maintenance required to upkeep your siding is not something a lot of homeowners think about. Whether it's mold, mildew, rot, paint, caulking, dents, there's a lot of maintenance that goes into it. And so when you think about choosing that right solution, a lot of homeowners are looking at steel siding, specifically from Quality Edge, that's designed to minimize your maintenance and maximize the protection of your home in all of those weather environments. More and more homeowners are asking for environmentally friendly products or clean products. And there's really three key pieces that go into that decision. What goes into the product, how long is it going to last, and what do I do when I'm done with it? And so as we look at solutions like steel siding that has a 95% recycled content that goes into it, that can last a lifetime, which could be 30, 40, 50 years, and then can recycle 100% post-use. It's great that homeowners finally have an alternative to all of the traditional siding we all know and recognize. Homeowners aren't just looking at design and style anymore. They're thinking about all of these criteria to really understand the value, durability, longevity, what materials go into making that siding. This is a big decision for them, and they're thinking differently about it. And because of that, they want to make sure that they get the best value for the money that they spend.